Hello. Okay, I need to show you the starting point so that you don't think we built all this today. So our starting point, we are working in an API testing and debugging client called Fiberplane. It's open source, and what exists right now is the ability to stitch together requests by referencing them. So in this case, you could say I want to create a goose with post, and then get the goose like that. So what's happening under the hood is it constructs a plan and then executes that plan. And it's also buggy right now because this is not released. It's on a branch, and you can tell. So right here, it actually doesn't really populate an ID, and we get an error. So the workflow here does not really work. Okay, so pause video. I'm going to switch branches. Okay. I'm magically on a new branch. This is the stuff that we built for the hackathon. We're using Gemini. We use AI Studio in order to iterate prompts, as well as some homegrown tools. And right, so instead of referencing routes directly, something I can now do is just describe what I want to see. So I want to test basic CRUD of my goose resource, ignore URL form input stuff, just JSON. So in this case, I'm going to run this. It takes a little bit of time, so if it skips again, that's why. Okay, so it looks like it generated. In this case, the human in the loop component is that this plan is here, and I'm capable of going through and looking at all of the different data and modifying it before the plan actually goes into place. So in this case, an interesting thing is this ID is one, actually it's a placeholder, and we're going to reuse whatever goose we created. So that looks good enough to me, why not? So I'm going to just execute the entire plan like this. And then we get status updates along the way. If there is an error, we should be prompted to fix whatever's errored, and then we can continue. And that's humans in the loop, which is the name of the hackathon. Okay, this is wrong right here. That says it's an error. It's just off by one error. But it looks like we went through the entire testing flow. And yeah, this is the whole point of this is to create get rid of boilerplate for end-to-end API tests that you can kind of construct it on the fly and have to do minimal work on your API. All right, that's the demo. Thank you.